Hello again, traders. Right. If you've been sad like me and looking on the internet today at charts and Twitter and YouTube and stuff, then you will realise that I've been knocking out some shorts. Anyway, I've also been well aware that BTC should still potentially be trying to attack these levels because of this 3CR to the long side. So I'm out of this. It's only demo again, but it follows all the rules, the usual rules. Um, and I felt a bit awful because I know the shorts have no value whatsoever to my loyal existing following. But I feel very strongly about this. I got up this morning and something cropped up in my feed. I don't know why. It's probably because I'm on YouTube more. But it was this guy moaning about a scammer, and I mean it was the money, the sort of money involved was, and the naivety. I mean, I was shouting at the sad, unfortunate bloke that got ripped off. Just, I was beyond speech. It was a Brit. He was, money's worth a lot of money to him. He was obviously just a, family working man, and he was saying this to the scammer. He'd paid something like 700 quid for a couple of indicators, three indicators, and um, on his comments, there must have been 80, 90 comments, all saying similar things and backing him up and whatnot. And it astonished me, the gall of the people, because they sent the indicators, they sent them out, they charged 700 quid or whatever it was, and they sent them out with um, no instructions or anything. So if you're wondering why I've got all fired up about shorts and trying to get my reach further, apparently it's 90% of people use those shorts. And I mean, what use are videos, 177k views and stuff like that? What use are those short videos to anyone really to try and learn to trade? So I've got to have a little bash at those. So apologies if this is annoying some of you, real deep apologies, but you know, you know the score on how my feelings about what a cesspit this place is. And I know if I, whatever, if you charge 50 or £100 a month and just telling people not to waste thousands and thousands, hundreds and hundreds and thousands on the rubbish out there. And quite frankly, I didn't realise it was as bad as it was until I stumbled across this particular um, video in my feed. It's 10 times worse than I ever dreamt it was. So that's the point of the shorts. That's the point of trying to get an extra sort of a reach, I think they call it, don't they? And because quite frankly, everything that you need to know if you've been a follower of mine is already online. There's loads and loads of new stuff that I'm seeing all the time. And getting back to this actual trade, if you've actually stuck around long enough to listen to all that rant, this is the 3CR up. We expect the pullback. As a scalper, I'm happy to take these small, this is tiny. This is about, I think, the equivalent of 12.9 pips. And it is high risk. That's why I only mess around at the moment on demo still, on these weekend cryptos. Occasional, I'll take a live trade, but it's quite rare. There's no point really. The risk is too high. But the more I watch, the more I learn. And this is a classic. It's worth the video because it's a classic reversal. And what often happens, they don't go the first day. Like yesterday, it didn't happen. Weekends are funny. Cryptos can either go mad, or this is only what 3/8 24. It's only a third of its ADR at the moment, but they can go. So as you can see, if I was trading this in real life, having closed 90% out or 99% out, if I was trading in real life, I'd move my stop up higher and then just let it breathe. And this is the sort of first area I would expect this to have a problem. Well, the 3CR is the first area, but it's going to go further down with any luck. But this is not trade advice, guys. So, and if you look on M5, you can clearly see what's happening. I mean, it's a perfect entry down, and look where it stopped. It stops right on supply SS support and resistance level for the moment, anyway. But divergence there, divergence there, everything following the normal rules. You know, 3 reds on the 30-minute even. I mean, it's just a slam dunk to the sell side, which was what I've been looking for 2 days now, whilst doing all the other stuff. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oh, and I am going to go for the sun's due out any minute now, and I'm going to go for a super long walk this afternoon with friends.